Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Tanner. I'm your typical CPA who has a passion for living a balanced lifestyle between the demands of work and a healthy and active lifestyle. When I'm not making these videos, you can find me on Instagram at Account Fitness. In this video, I'm going to go over meal prep, specifically lunch and dinner for a full week. So, let's get started. The great thing about meal prep is that it saves you a bunch of time throughout the week, since you do a bulk of the work all in one day. Plus, it helps you stay on track of your nutrition. I'll typically do all of my grocery shopping just one day a week on Sunday morning, and I usually get about the same thing every single time. So, for my carbs, I typically get lots of sweet potatoes. I have about 4.5 pounds of sweet potato, about 3 pounds of red potatoes, have some pasta. For proteins, I have quite a bit of chicken, usually get about maybe 4 to 5 pounds of chicken a week. Got about a pound of ground turkey, great for turkey burgers, and then probably a little over a pound of salmon as well. And then for fruits, which I love for snacks in the afternoon, I got strawberries, I got raspberries, and also I got some watermelon as well. And then some other items I got are yogurt, some asparagus, some lettuce, tomato, and orange juice. And then what is essential for every meal prep experience are meal prep containers. To get started, I recommend these eco-friendly meal prep containers from Prep Naturals from Amazon that hold 36 ounces, and there's also the 2-part compartments that hold 29 ounces. I've had both of these for about 18 months now, and they're still good as new. There's a link in the description if you're interested in getting them. Now it's time to get prepping and cooking. Now, the thing with these meals is that they are easy. The ingredients are super simple and basic to put together. If you're looking to save a little time here and there, you can buy some pre-diced and sliced food. For example, I'll spend a little extra to have my chicken already trimmed in terms of the fat, and to have it a little thinner sliced so that it cooks faster. I won't go through all the cooking here, but one of my favorites lately has just been preparing grilled chicken tacos. It's literally so easy and simple, as you just have to marinate the chicken with some of your favorite taco seasoning. For me, it's from Trader Joe's, and then just throw it on the grill. On my tacos, I just like to have some fresh pico de gallo with freshly chopped cilantro. The pico I'll just buy straight from Trader Joe's, so all I have to do is just chop up the cilantro and put it away in the meal prep containers. I'll chop up the cilantro with the stems, as it carries a lot of flavor and nutritional value. But once the chicken is good and done on the grill, you can either shred it up or dice it up. If you're looking to get healthier and feeling better, a lot of it comes down to just eating clean most of the time and working out. There are a lot of helpful resources out there to initially educate yourself on proper food intake to help meet your goals. A book I've read that I recommend is Bigger, Leaner, Stronger for the men, and for the ladies, Thinner, Leaner, Stronger. My fiance and I have both read both these books and found them to be super helpful. I'll leave links to find these books in the description below if you're interested in learning more on the simple science of finding your ideal nutrition plan. I also want to take a quick minute here while I'm preparing my food to discuss my diet, as I do get asked a lot. I myself consume between 3,000 to 3,500 calories a day. I used to track my macros very closely at first through a helpful app called the My Macros Plus, when I was trying to learn what best suited me and my goals, as everyone is different. For a little while, I treated my body like a science experiment of seeing how my body reacted to changes in macros for both my performance and recovery. This really helped me to better educate myself on what really is in the food that I eat. At first, I would spend somewhere around an hour at the grocery store actually reading the labels on all the food that I bought to help educate myself. Once you find that nice balance and the foods that suit you well, I basically stick to the same basic foods each week. I feel great and healthy, so I don't see the need to change it once I find that good balance. I only develop efficiencies in cooking those same basic foods each week, and they only taste better as time goes on, as I make minor adjustments to make them taste better for myself. But counting everything you eat at first will be a big time commitment. But once you are able to educate yourself on what you are actually eating, then you get into the rhythm of the food that you are eating and don't have to track closely, as you're staying with the same tight range throughout the week. Honestly, there is no greater feeling than having all your food planned out for the week on a Sunday morning. So, there you go. I hope you learned something, or at least found a little bit of inspiration here. Basically, it comes down to eating clean and training hard. It's a slow process, but if you want it, you will get there. And with that, be sure to subscribe, crush that like button, and I will see you guys next time.